Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have a hot mess going on my desk right now. But I'm here for a project share, and I just want to bring these little items that I've been creating. These are little embellishments. This is a Scrap Diva Designs gumball shaker, and it's not completely finished. I want to add one of the bows up on the top where the ears are, like right there. I wanted to add a bead right here coming out at the bottom, but to be more exact, I'm using this paper collection from Frank Garcia. It's the 12 by 12 that I'm using, but this is the Dulce, and this has been in my stash. I've been holding on to it forever since I got it because I just didn't want to use it. But yeah, this is what I came up with. I used some Michael's Creatology foam right in there. So there's 2 layers there to create my shaker. And I did what Jenny from Crafty Hilo Girl here on YouTube, what she had used. She made the back a clear backing. I still have to add the back layer on here. It's to cover up the join where I put the shaker part and the base of the gumball machine. I put hot glue in between the seam here because these are 2 separate pieces. They look like this. Let me get this off of here. So they come like this. You could put the gumball machine up like this, or you could put it down like this. Either way, it's up to you how you want to use it. So the 2 separate pieces, I just glued them together right in between the seam because of the foam. It gave me enough thickness to join them there, but I wasn't confident that it was going to hold. So I took a piece of paper, the length of this little this section right here, and I overlapped it right there. So this piece here and then down to the bottom, so you can see it right there. So it overlaps underneath this layer. The paper is added there and then onto the base of the gumball machine. I still have to add the backing to the base for both of them because you can see where I joined it, just to clean it up a little bit. I also added the paper on the back here for the outline since I'm using acetate on the back, and I got hot glue everywhere. Anyway, I'll clean those up before I get them packaged. So I used some shaker bits and some clay pieces that I had in my stash. There's some little teeny tiny cupcakes up in here and some little popsicles, and also some fruit shaker bits, some clay bits I got from Michael's. It's in the confetti glitter section at Michael's. So they have little watermelon slices, some grapefruit, some passion fruit or dragon fruit, and some other slices like strawberries and other stuff. And then I just really wanted some fun fruit, fresh shaker bits. So there's some strawberry pieces up in there. So I thought that was cute. I added some pinks and some blues in there, or greens. The second piece, so I used some Tonic Studio mirrored paper, and I got this from Urban Gems, urbangems.com. So I used it for the decorative elements. So the bunny ears, the little coin slot right there, and then the little out, where the candy comes out of the outgoing door. So I just used that for my embellishment pieces. I used the rose gold on this one and some green mirror paper, same from the urbangems.com. So there it is. That's what I've made with the Erica Scrap Diva Designs die set. I use the ears, I use the gumball machine, all the embellishment parts right here. I didn't use these pieces here, and I didn't use any of the eggs because I wasn't wasn't creating Easter themed embellishments. So although I did add the bunny ears, but that's okay. I'm going to add bows up on the top up here. I also made it easy for the recipient to pull this off if they didn't want the bunny ears, although I do love the bunny ears. So there you go. That's one embellishment that I created. I also created some party streamer rosettes. So I made some in the rose gold, and I got this picked up at Target, and this light mint green from Dollar Tree. And that is what I came up with. And so I have two different styles. It's just the regular edge, and then I got the pinking sheer edge. I did not use the flimsy scissors. I used my sewing Fiskars scissors, and these are pinking shears. Yeah, I don't use it for sewing anymore because that is not going to cut well for fabric. So I made two of each color, two of each style, and the recipient will be able to play with all of that however they want. Also, I think I've already shared my embellishment book. This is for a swap, and this is a sweet shop swap, and it's through Instagram with Carmen Q Crafts and Cassie. So if you guys are wanting to see what everyone's created, make sure you follow Cassie and Carmen on Instagram, because that's where they're going to share the flip books or the embellishment books that everyone's going to be swapping. So again, I used the Dulce collection because it has donuts, it has ice cream cones, it has cotton candy, and it's got teacups too. But I thought that was really, really pretty, and it's the same on the back. I used that all the way through the front, the outside cover, and then I just used the flip side of that paper, which is a marble. So pretty. This is the first embellishments I created. There's these little teeny tiny flower punch flowers. I just used this little punch here, and I believe it's a Recollections punch. I'm not sure. I don't remember. So I used that, and I double layered the flowers. I added some gemmies that I picked up, or that my friend Eve shared with me, Eve Ada. And I've already shared that also in some Happy Mail. I had a ice cream little paper clip that I received in Happy Mail. I thought that would be perfect to add to my very first page. I didn't put anything here yet. I'm gonna put one of these embellishments in there. I added the rosettes. I just packaged them up like this. So put it on one on each side. I'm gonna share both styles with the recipient. So yeah, and then I have more embellishments that I want to fit into these books. I just have to wrap them. Let me bring this over here. Okay. I did cut out some of the Scrap Diva Designs Crafty Friend. Hello, Crafty Friend. Let me see if I can find it. Where did you go, my little crafty friend? It's here somewhere, guys. Here it is. Hello, Crafty Friend from Scrap Diva Designs. I still have more I want to make so I could put them in my books. But yeah, I'm not going to do anything to these. I don't think I am. I think I'm just going to leave them just like this. But I'm going to give the person one of each color, so that they have the gold and the green. Rose gold and the green. I've also created some donuts that are super sweet. Get it? Super sweet. So I'm going to give them one of each color. They're not going to be the exact color. So one green and pink, a large green and a small pink, and then a large pink and a small green. And I reverse the colors of the words to the background. So this is the rose gold paper in the background, and I use the green up on the top. And then I did the reverse on this one. And for my sprinkles, I used some Heishi beads that I recently purchased from Michaels. It's in their spring collection for crafts. So if you're interested, go check it out, because at the time that I purchased it, it was on sale for 40% off. It might be even more off because the it's getting closer and closer, you know, to spring. So I made some lollipop embellishments. I shared this on Wacky Wednesday with Louisa, and I added the little jump rings there. I added some bows from Walmart. I got the stick and the wrapper from Walmart. The beads were all just in my stash, and I've got them in various places. So this is what it looks like. I'm not sure how I want to package this. I might be packaging it separate from the book, because I don't think these are going to fit well in the book, especially the bulkiness of the bead. But that is what I have, and I wanted to share some of the colors with the recipient. And that's what it looks like. I used E6000 to join the lollipop to the bead and the jump ring to the bead. E6000 and hot glue so that the hot glue could catch faster. Okay, what else did I make? I made some really cute, I found this word die. I received this as a thank you from Nurse Tara. It was the word treats. Let's see, here it is. And it looks like this with the shadow. And I don't know where she picked it up from, but she that was a thank you gift to me. So I cut the word out and the background, and I just went around the edge of the background with some gold marker, the gold leaf pen from Walmart. And then the little ruffle that I have in the background is a tablecloth from Walmart. And I just created my ruffle just like that. Isn't that pretty? It's so shiny and colorful. The lollipop I got from, I can't remember. The Happy Little Corner. This is from Rhoda Shop on Instagram. And then this one is from Amazon. I hauled that on my Amazon hauls long time ago. So I made one in green and one in pink, and the book is going to receive one of each of those colors. Okay. Another one I made, I used a, what is this thing called? Let me see. Let me find it. Here we go. Those to-go mugs, it's not the KS Crafts one. It's similar, but it's not the exact one. So this is the one I got. It's just in a little Ziploc bag. I had this little die in here. It's supposed to be the sleeve for your hot to-go cup. So I used this sleeve and the plain sleeve and the whip that comes in this collection. And I created a cupcake. So it looks like that. I took those 3 pieces and look at this little cute cupcake. Just like that. I used those 3. They're all for the to-go cups, like right there. And I created cupcakes. So let me show you. They are so cute. Also using Eve's bling from her shop. So pretty. And some glitter paper cardstock that I had in my stash. And of course I used green and pink again. And a little bit of blue cardstock just to give it a variation, you know, parts of them. Look at how adorable these are. So of course what I'm going to do, I'm going to give, one book is going to have the 2 green cupcakes, and then the other book is going to have the 2 rose gold cupcakes with one of the other color. So just like that, it'll be 2 separate books. This was a labor of love. Oh, and the detailed here is the edges die cut from Coco and Reno that I recently received because it was just, let's see. It just came late. Okay. That's the border, the edges, cutting dies right there. And what I used on that is this one. One is the heart border and the other is the scallop border. So I cut those out and that's what I used for my trim on the cupcake liner. All right, so I got those 3 done. You're supposed to, in this swap, you're supposed to make like 6 different embellishments. I think I got 6, I think. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need to make a few more because I don't want to count my lollipops. Oh, here, 6. I don't want to count the lollipops as an embellishment. So we will see. I have a few more to go to put together some pieces, and then there'll be another video sharing everything I put together for the swap. I just really wanted to get in here and show some of the pieces that I created to go into the embellishment book, and I hope the recipient likes it. I think I don't want to put anything on the cover, mainly because the paper is so pretty, and I might put the name on the spine, but we'll see. I don't know. I don't know. I want them to be able to use the whole book after they take out all the embellishments, so that way you can add pictures in here or whatever, you know, whatever their heart desires. I think it came out really, really pretty, and I would love, love, love to make myself one. Maybe a little bit bigger because it's so cute. So anyway, that is it, guys. I just wanted to share that with you all, and hopefully I can get the final product put together and share that all with you. So thanks for joining me, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.